It's been a long time since I've posted a YouTube video, and I thought I would kick it off with these really yummy chickpea gyros that I pair with a creamy dill sauce. So what I do is I take a can of rinsed chickpeas and add all of the spices. You're just going to mix them together till coated, and then you're going to add it to a frying pan with some oil and fry them off until they're nice and crispy. Then I take a plain coconut yogurt and add it to a bowl. I add fresh chopped dill, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Then I added some more dill because I love it, and added some dill pickle brine as well, and then mixed it together. Once your dill sauce is ready, you're going to move on and chop up some cucumber, tomato, and I also added some Violife vegan feta. Then you're just going to assemble it on your naan bread. I added the creamy dill sauce first, the crispy chickpeas, cucumber, tomato, and the Violife feta on top. And that's it for these yummy chickpea gyros with dill sauce. I hope you enjoy them, and if you do, please save and tag me.